College of Life and Environmental Sciences and College of Medicine and Health. Monday, 9th of December 2024, 12:30 p.m. We're here in the University of Birmingham's Great Hall. The students sitting in our hall are about to join the thousands of alumni who have passed through our university since it first admitted students. Degree congregations at the University of Birmingham date back to 1901 and are held here in the Great Hall, right at the heart of our Edgbaston campus. Attended by nearly 30,000 graduates and guests each year, these events are the highlight of the university calendar and represent for many students the conclusion of their studies at Birmingham. Originally built as a cathedral to learning, the Great Hall never fails to impress our students. The building is Grade 2 listed, and it's really the details that make the space so special. It features a trompe-l'oeil dome ceiling located above its formal marble entrance. The entrance is bordered by archways that are designed to draw the eye toward the center of the room. The audience is a mixture of graduands seated in the back of the room and their friends and families seated near the stage. During the ceremony, the graduands will make their way up to the stage, accept their scroll, and be applauded by their families and fellow students. In the sea of formal robes in the ceremony, Attendees may spot black gowns, red and green gowns, and possibly some other eye-catching colours. The black robes are worn by those graduating with their bachelor's and master's. Green and red robes are for those picking up a PhD. The music you can hear is being performed by our very own student musicians. They often perform versions of modern pop hits or songs with a Birmingham connection. So if you're thinking, that sounds a little like Duran Duran, you might be onto something. You'll be hearing more from the student musicians towards the end of the ceremony. The people who will sit on stage throughout the ceremony, usually senior academics at the university, are led into the Great Hall by two mace bearers. There is a mace bearer at the front of the line and one at the back. The latter is called the Esquire Bedell. Both carry large silver maces that they put down on stage. This is a ceremonial kick-off to the day. The mace bearers are usually staff members from the university who have volunteered to take part. A senior member of the university, such as the Chancellor or a provost, will be the last to take their place. They'll stand before the attendees and declare the congregation open.
I declare the congregation open.
Graduands, honoured guests, families and friends, colleagues, welcome. My name is Professor William Bloss, and as Pro-Vice-Chancellor and Head of the College of Life and Environmental Sciences, it's my pleasure to welcome you all, our graduands, friends, family and supporters, to your graduation ceremony. Today, we're celebrating the achievements of graduands, those of you seated at the back of the hall, from our School of Medical Sciences, our School of Infection, Inflammation and Immunology, and from our School of Biosciences. And it is a day for celebration. It's a day to celebrate and recognise achievements, and a day of immense pride for us all. It's a day to reflect on the dedication, the perseverance and the excellence that you, our graduands, have demonstrated throughout your academic journeys. You're now part of a long tradition of excellence and innovation here at Birmingham. From our beginnings in 1900 as the first civic university, we were a place where students from all backgrounds were accepted on an equal basis, and a place that would serve the public good and would drive social progress. That commitment, a commitment to excellence and to innovation, continues today, with our researchers making strides in emerging disciplines, things like nanomedicine, digital health, gene therapy, metabolomics and neurogenetics. We're also deeply involved in addressing some of the most pressing global challenges, from antibiotic resistance and food security to conflict resolution, cultural preservation, and access to education for all. Our initiatives at the university influence policy, they improve lives, and they contribute to the well-being of communities worldwide. And from its foundation, this university has embraced a global outlook. More than 100 years ago, a student was encouraging her schoolmates to join the university and wrote that a feature that strikes one at once is the cosmopolitan character of the students, that these are men and women of all nationalities, brothers and sisters in learning from all parts of the world, of all ages and degree. And that global outlook is mirrored today in our vibrant campus and its community. I always enjoy our December graduations as they reflect the true breadth and diversity of the educational experience here at Birmingham. Those of you graduating today, some of you will have been with us for several years, studying for an undergraduate degree or undertaking a higher or professional apprenticeship. Some of you will have dedicated the last few years to your own individual research, which contributes to innovation and discovery, and you're here to be awarded your PhD. And some of you will be receiving a master's qualification or maybe studying for a leadership programme. Your time with us may have been shorter, and you may not have spent much time on campus at all as you studied in your workplace or elsewhere. But I'd like to reflect on two things that you all have in common. One, on the decision that you took to study here at Birmingham, and secondly, the broader skills you will have gained. You chose this path because you trusted that it would expand your knowledge of your area. It would allow you to take the next steps in your career, and maybe because you wanted to make a meaningful contribution to your discipline or to society at large. And you made that decision despite the challenges and sacrifices, maybe, that lay ahead. For some of you, this meant leaving your home countries and maybe family and friends to embrace a new culture and live independently in Birmingham. And others will have needed to balance studies against the demands of work, of family, or caring responsibilities. We do recognise that these are no small feats, and your ability to overcome these obstacles and achieve your goals is a testament to resilience, to determination, and to commitment, an unwavering commitment. It was all worth it. Your achievements will have enriched your own lives. You will have made a lasting impact on our community here at the university and likely beyond. You've shown that with dedication and hard work, much is possible. So today we celebrate not just your academic success, but also the journey you've undertaken to get here. And those journeys will all be different, but will have common threads. You will have explored those new ideas and tackled seemingly insurmountable problems. You will have met new people who have inspired you in different ways. You'll have learned more about yourself as well as the world around you, and advanced your potential to go on to whatever comes next for each of you. From experience, we know that the sacrifices will not have been yours alone, the graduating group, and that there will have been family and friends who may be here today, celebrating your achievements, who've also had to make changes to support you during your study. And I can see as I look out across the Great Hall, there are people in this room with very proud faces, and some of them may even have something in their eye later on, or a lump in their throats as you walk up on stage to graduate. So to them, and to those watching online and elsewhere, they will be thinking of you now, and very much being extremely proud of everything you have achieved. You will all have that person or those people who believed in you and supported you and showed you kindness and made sacrifices alongside you. So I'd like just to invite the graduands, those of you seated at the back, just to join me in a round of applause to thank everyone else who is here today and at home who supported you. Graduands, please get to your feet and give a round of applause for your family and supporters. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Great. So that will get you warmed up for clapping, of which more to come. So your time here at the University of Birmingham has equipped you with the tools you need to embrace your futures with compassion and understanding and confidence. Your actions have the power now to make a difference to the world. Please choose to make that difference a positive one and a kind one. So, in a moment, you'll come up onto the stage and Professor Deborah Longworth, Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Education, will admit you to your degree. This is your moment, and when your name is read out, that will be your graduation. And family and friends, that is your cue to make a lot of noise, please. So the final bit of advice is please be careful on the steps, especially on the way down. Give a big smile for the cameras, and don't forget to enjoy your moment. My warmest congratulations to all of you. Well done.
Good afternoon. My name is Professor Rob Jackson. I'm the head of the School of Biosciences. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, to you and to the university, I present the names of these graduands as listed in my programme, proved worthy to be admitted to their respective degrees.
By virtue of my authority as Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I admit those persons listed in the programme, both in attendance and in absentia, to the degree for which they are to be presented.
In the College of Medicine and Health, the School of Medical Sciences for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. For research into the molecular pathology of ovarian cancer, Rauda Ahmed El-Shanawi. For research for the role of tropomycins and their isoforms in bladder cancer, Nada Humayun Zakaria. For research into the role of protein arginine methylation in the cellular response to DNA damage, Nicole Christina McFadden. For research into gene regulation in colorectal cancer heterogeneity, Paige Louise Carey White. For the degree Master of Research, Sumail Ahmed. Angus Astbury. Maria Benpatouche. Seren Catherine Carpenter. Caitlin Coleman. Erin Fraser-Williams. Rowanna Lily Groves. Charnidi Guruprasana. Katie Olivia Hume. Alice Katie Curl. Kimia Majidi Ivari. Bethany McKinnon. Chloe Marisa Martin. Sophie Millwood. Ung Ming Wan. Verity India Shaw. Eve Alexandra Wright. For Master of Science, Kelly Ward. For Master of Science, Bioinformatics, Ibrahim Ahmed. Talia Grace Akdeniz. Ishrat Shumaya Alam. Hannah Victoria Aldrett. Scott Allen. Razan Ali Agmobgal. Samuel Sena Amuzu. Robert Atherton. Marcello Beltrami. Abhad Suboth Chavan. Sanat Sane Chitnis. Rachel Lara Dandy. Amethyst Aurora Iker. Radha Gonda Mallikarjuna. Alexandros Grisovas Tarasovas. Shriya Gural Muladihara. Raneen Habala. Stella Susanna Isaac. Chanming Jiang. Benjamin James Keane. Reuben Jake Kumar. Ting Ju Lin. Robbie Serafin Lopez. Mega Muniratha. Sarah Nicholas. Komal Rani. Sivash Reza Joyi. Niyati Siani. Balkis Hassan Salman Shaban. Maria Starovoitova. Fatima Vafai Kordimahini. Ashita Vashkiar. Clinical Oncology. Yokalushmi Chakravarti. Vridesh Guttamar. Elisa Mills. Pamela Vimbanache Moyo. Anita Itumbi Makua. Christine Ndutangugi. Gosego Robagatsu. Olayatil Vijalokshumi. Genomic Medicine, Betty Ansell. Ebony Carolyn Hill. Badur Ahmed Jaber Mohammed Jaber. Bavita Jia. Amna Sajid Malik. Elspeth Kate McGuigan. Michaela Ondasova. Ria Patel. Marius Sarasilla. Health Data Science, Jose Maria de la Mata Chicharo. Latisha Sashini de Silva. Nathan Egandrobi. Rebecca Jane Hodgkiss. Tanya James. Swarnima Kolampalas Radhakrishnan. Massa Mahmood. Amy Morris. Connor Murphy. Shivani Chinmay Pathak. Kashpa Pizon. May Montserrat Ryerson. Sivaranjani Salvaraj. Sanjay Singh. Anita Sukumaran. Amelia Sang. Sayak Shitavadi. Wenrui Zhang. In the School of Infection, Inflammation and Immunology for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. For research into maintenance of human macrophage polarization in response to inflammatory stimuli and hydrogel encapsulation, Mohammed Yahya Al-Qatani. For research into the measurement of retinal perfusion using optical coherence tomography angiography and consequences of sepsis on retinal perfusion, Ellie Corti. For research into digital innovation within the National Health Service, Susie Gallier. For research investigating associations of morphometric, clinical and procedural factors, Abdurrahman Yazid Gadwani. For research into novel non-pharmacological therapies for brain and spinal cord injury, Andrew Robert Stevens. Master of Research, Kirandeep Kaur Bogle. Leon Miich. Master of Science in Trauma Science, Mansoor Issa Abdul Shafir. Rossa Sismula Brannan. Jamal Yousaf Boot. Christine Victoria Campbell. Olivia Elizabeth Florrie Cunningham. Samuel Stephen Allen Davis. Lauren Johnston. Charlotte Anusha Needham Bennett. Anna Rose Pitt Francis. Katie Ratcliffe. Jemima Rees. Rachel Eleanor Saunders. Elliot Sidney Slough. In the College of Life and Environmental Sciences in the School of Biosciences for the degree Doctor of Philosophy. For research into molecular breeding techniques for wheat biofortification, Muhammad Wakas Ali. For research into genetic mechanisms that link neuronal survival to neural circuit formation in the developing brain, Nasser Mohammed Saeed bin Katem Al-Shamsi. For research into the application of modern predictive methods for chemical risk assessment, Jacob Joe Collins. For research into the genetic mechanisms of disease-causing bacteria, Charles Cooper. For research into the biochemistry of 3 proteins with potential importance for drug-resistant tuberculosis, Khalid Ali Haidar. For research into the ecology and behaviour of wild gorillas, Charlotte Angela King. For research into antibiotic resistance mechanisms, Ksenia Klimova. For research into maternal and neonatal immunity to vaccines, Jamie Nikki Pillai. For research into the roles of chaperone proteins in mycobacteria, Shahida Rafiq. For research into ways of increasing spread of new vectors for displacing genetic elements carrying antibiotic resistance genes from bacterial populations, Akram Bakht Sultan. Master of Research, Cameron Bailey. George Batten. He said he was not here. Okay. Apologies. Pritish Pradhan.
Pro-Vice-Chancellors, members of the University, honoured guests, graduates and graduands. On this happiest of occasions, I stand before you to celebrate an organisation that brings light to even the darkest of times. Imagine every year over 40,000 hair donations arrive at their doors, each one a heartfelt gesture of kindness, carrying with it hope of restoring a child's confidence and dignity. This inspiring mission of the Little Princess Trust, which resonates deeply with the values of this great institution, it is my privilege, therefore, to present the Little Princess Trust for induction into the Chancellor's Guild of Benefactors, a recognition reserved for those whose contributions exemplify exceptional generosity and vision. The Little Princess Trust began from a place of profound personal loss, yet it has blossomed into a story of hair and hope. In 2005, Wendy Tarpley Morris faced the unimaginable loss of her daughter Hannah to cancer. Amid her grief, Wendy found a way to channel her love and memories into something truly transformative, addressing the challenge of hair loss during treatment. From this small but profound act of kindness, providing wigs to children in need, the Trust has grown into a beacon of hope, spreading compassion and support to children and families worldwide. At its heart, the Little Princess Trust embodies empathy, dignity and care. These are not just values, but guiding principles that shape everything it does. Every wig it provides symbolises love and humanity, ensuring that no child or family feels alone or unsupported. The Trust has remained steadfast in its mission to make its services accessible to all, free from barriers or restrictions, a true testament to its profound respect for the dignity of every child it serves. The Trust has grown from a kitchen table initiative into an international organisation. Each year, they provide thousands of wigs, enabling children to reclaim a sense of self and normality during profoundly challenging times. Their work, a logistical marvel, extends beyond the borders of the UK and Ireland, reaching children in countries including Germany, Bulgaria, Sweden and Portugal. Yet, even as they scale, the Trust retains its small charity ethos, ensuring every donor and beneficiary is met with gratitude and respect. Beyond their immediate support for children, the Little Princess Trust has become a beacon in paediatric oncology research. Since 2016, they have provided over £30 million in research funding, driving innovations in less toxic and more effective cancer treatments. Their investments in scientific excellence have filled critical gaps and catalysed progress in often overlooked areas. The University of Birmingham, starting with Professor Pam Kearns, has been a proud partner in this journey, receiving over £2.5 million in research funding, and now establishing a £2 million endowed chair in paediatric oncology. This partnership underscores the Trust's truly transformative impact, not just on the individual lives, but on the broader medical landscape. The story of the Little Princess Trust is also one of innovation and resilience. When the pandemic disrupted global wig production, the Trust responded with characteristic ingenuity. They trained UK wig makers from the theatre industry to adapt their craft, ensuring no child went without a wig. They pioneered virtual consultations, proving that their commitment to their mission would not falter even in the face of unprecedented challenges. This adaptability exemplifies the creativity and determination that define great institutions. Today, as the Little Princess Trust is inducted into the Chancellor's Guild of Benefactors, celebrating donors who've given over £1 million to students and research here at the university, we honour the Trust's remarkable achievements, enduring spirit and future aspirations. Wendy, Phil and their team dream of a day when their services are no longer required, when cancer and its treatments no longer impose such devastating burdens. But until that day, their work continues to shine as a source of hope, compassion and determination to make the world kinder, always striving for more and better. As we inscribe its name into the marble of this great hall, we honour the Trust's legacy and enshrine its values into the history of this university. The Little Princess Trust's story reminds us all of the profound power of human kindness, of turning personal tragedy into hope for others, and of the incredible change that can arise from a commitment to serve. Wendy, Phil, and the entire team at the Little Princess Trust, your work inspires us all. The Trust's name will stand alongside others who have shaped our world for the better, a permanent testament to Hannah's memory and your remarkable contribution to humanity. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I present the Little Princess Trust to you and the university for induction into the Chancellor's Guild of Benefactors.
By virtue of my authority as Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I admit you to the Chancellor's Guild of Benefactors.
Professor Dern, graduates, esteemed guests, and very proud parents, family and friends. We are both honoured and privileged to be here today to represent the Little Princess Trust and as it is inducted into the Chancellor's Guild of Benefactors. It is hard to believe that what started out as a small memorial charity in Hannah's name to help children and young people facing cancer treatment is now being etched into the history of this highly esteemed and historic institution. On occasions like this, it gives us all at the Little Princess Trust the ability to see the charity from a slightly different perspective and to look back to see how far it has come and the impact it has made. We have now contributed over £30 million to potentially life-saving or life-changing research focused on finding cures for all childhood cancers, and have now helped nearly 18,000 children and young people during a very difficult time in their lives by providing them with wigs. We realise that providing a wig and funding research does not solve all of the many complex issues these children and young people are going through. However, the wigs play a vitally important role in restoring their confidence and identity. And through the research, there is hope. Throughout the creation and the continued growth of the Little Princess Trust, we learn from the people we meet and those we come into contact with every day through our work. From the incredible and committed academics and clinicians to the kindness and selflessness of the thousands of people who have supported financially and donated hair to the charity over the years. But most of all, from the resilience we see in the children and young people we help and their families.
In Professor Dern's introduction, he spoke about the journey of the Little Princess Trust and used some very powerful words, such as innovation, creativity, adaptability, commitment, determination, and resilience. These qualities are not taught, but are often acquired in the face of adversity. Alone, they can only take you so far, but when coupled with great purpose and knowledge, are very powerful. You have the knowledge, which is why we're all here today, to celebrate your incredible academic achievements. Even more importantly, you possess all of the other qualities that Professor Dern listed. In fact, you have almost certainly demonstrated all of these to get to where you are today. Sir Alex Ferguson once said, "As human beings, you have to understand that adversity is part of your life, and when it happens, you find yourself." So life will be full of curveballs, but when faced with adversity, you all will be faced with adversity at some level or other during your lifetime. But what we recognise and is utterly overwhelming is the potential that sits in front of us today in this room. To think of all that you will go on to achieve throughout your careers is just utterly mind-blowing. When you find your purpose and you add your academic abilities with the qualities highlighted in Professor Dern's speech, that is where you truly achieve your potential. So this is what gives us hope and why we are happy to invest in the people of this institution. We at the Little Princess Trust are committed to, and it is our responsibility to continue to provide the means for those who choose to work in the field of childhood cancer research to really make a difference. But we hope that whatever career path you take, you apply those same qualities and principles to achieve wonderful things. So on behalf of us all at the Little Princess Trust, we would like to congratulate you all on your momentous day and wish you well in the future.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, to you and to the University, I present the names of these graduands as listed in my programme, proved worthy to be admitted to their respective degrees.
By virtue of my authority as Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I admit those persons listed in the programme, both in attendance and in absentia, to the degree for which they are to be presented.
For the degree Master of Science, Microbiology and Infection, Faris Aboukalia. Libar Aftab. Esther Agri. Abdullah Haris Ahmed. Shelmi AJ. Taiba Ali. Kautha Jasmine Amutawa. Bassam Khalid Al-Nafisi. Lucia Slova. Lavanya Aswathi. Madeline Megan Boff. William Bourne. Nathan Paul Britton. Bradley Samuel Brown. Karolina Bugajska. Shalini Chaudhry. Joshua Christie. Wenhao Deng. Megan Adodia. Khadija El Hello. Matthew Rees Ellis. Matthew Wyatt Hersant. Matteo Hiroshan Jayakodi Arachige. Joseph Samuel Johnson. Marunali Mangash Kajalkar. Mayuresh Sugriv Lange. Rohan Prasanna Lapalkar. Kaiwen Ma. Emily Maiden. Bajnam Singh Mali. Athulya Manmadan Sasikala. Muhammad Riaz Muhammad Razul. Ruqayya Nazir. Siyam Farah and Sona. Nikisha Odedra. Maya Nicole Pogson. Arvind Raj Rauda Krishnan. Arya Santosh Rain. Elizabeth Reed. Janel Richardson. Gauri Jaigash Shukakar. Sona Sharji. Kaveri Singh. Arathi Murali Srijish Kumar. Shrindi Sundarajar. Hetvi Tulmai Vaidya. Aparna Vinod. Jivashri Vyapathy. Yishu Zhao. Matthew Yao. Molecular Biotechnology. Yazaman Abdolhay. Issam bin Sultan Afsar. Hanadi Muhammad Alghani. Sondos Omar Almawalad. Rithika Chetan Baikal. Edwin Benichan Kuzimulil. Sanjubiania. Jinyan Chen. Harish Dhanaseka. Mitchell Angelo Douglas. Danai Dundovich. Samaya Fatima. Helitz Jane. Zainab Kamal. Ramanjot Kaur. Harsha Kudaganti. Amira Kasiba. Weisha Manna. Kudu Weisha Manamano. Axa Pathmasilan. Kartika Vathini Ramaduri. Samuel Reynolds. Upasana Sharma. Nicole Sibanda. Diogo Martelo Simões Marques. Ananya Singh. Inderpreet Singh. Shivani Somasundaram.
Thank you.
Amber Spence. Wontong Sun. Christina Teresa Laura Tomshay. Jingquan Tong. Akhil Upu. Campbell Fraser Wells. Achaya Elisa Yugantiran. Kai Gazan. Toxicology. Manal Sella Alfarj. Nora Mohammed Al Saif. Shaky Lashva Arul Prakash. Anjita Atavalapil Ashokan. Mosen Salim Bamatraf. John Gareth Beddoes. Adina Begum. Natasha Rachel Bishop. Jakub Rafal Bogac. Rebecca Ellen Burton. Stacey Chimdia Zekwe. Rohan Deshkar. Emily Horton Walsh. Matthew Jefferson. Iman Kamran. Nathan James Christopher Kenner. Junesh Kumar. Joy Kondwanian Lube. Chantal Okunimi. Madhav Kinal Kumar Oza. Rhiannon Pass. Rebecca Pereira Chiarelli. Ananya Satish. Jack Francis Shane Corrigan. Lauren Talbot. Ella Woodley. Kayun Yu. Eugene Zhu. Master in Science, Biochemistry, Alexander Derry Ferguson. Biochemistry with Professional Placement, Anna Zoe Herrick. Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry, Phoebe Healy-Knotts. Matthew Hill. Muhammad Akil bin Mat Issa. Biological Sciences, Frederick Crosby. Mohammed Tayyab Khan. Vladimir Nikulin. Bakar Siba. Biological Sciences, Genetics, Amrit Kera. Human Biology, Fauzia Hussain. Environmental Science, Ellie May Blanford-Fendick. In the College of Medicine and Health, School of Medical Sciences, the degree of Master of Science, Bioinformatics, Helen Elizabeth Deacon. In the School of Infection, Inflammation and Immunology, for the degree Doctor of Philosophy, for research into predicting outcomes of lung cancer surgery, Safna Khalid Al-Ghaid. The College of Life and Environmental Sciences, the School of Biosciences, the degree Master of Science, Microbiology and Infection, Alfie Jez Morris. Molecular Biotechnology, Asta Mandikar. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I'd now like to introduce our student representative to come and give her speech on Waisha Manor.
Namaskar. Good afternoon, everybody. First, welcome to all graduates, academics, researchers, administrative staffs, parents, families, and relatives. And congratulations to all the students graduating today. May we have a round of applause for yourselves and the people who worked that hard to make this organization or this event happen. Between the School of Bioscience and College of Medicine and Health Science, we may sometimes think our disciplines are far removed from each other, without much common ground. But there is one thing that can unite us all, no matter if we are masters or PhD students. We have no idea when we will enter the lab or leave the lab, or whether the sun will be still up when we leave. But we all know one thing, that none of our experiments have worked and no one knows why. In addition to this, graduates, raise your hand if you feel any of this familiar to you. If you have taken at least one picture of the old Joe. Yeah? If you have at least done one all-nighter at the famous library. If you had the intrusive thought of not going to 9 a.m. lecture after sleeping through 1,000 alarms? Yes, of course, yes. And last but not the least, if you ever went to career fair for just freebies, not to talk with the employers? Yes, yes. The list will go on if we talk about core memories that we made here at the EOB. Those are the memories that will stay with us for the rest of our life. For me personally, I remember my day starting at 9 a.m. and ending at 9 p.m. And you always see me running from one side of this huge campus to the other, but never staying at one place for single time. Everyone has their own learning philosophy. And this mental schedule, thanks to my 1,000 part-time jobs on campus, is reflection of mine. In the words of my father, you have to create the life you want for yourself. It's not going to be handed to you. So, back in 2021, I decided to come to UK for further studies. I am the first person in my family to ever attempt this, and coming from a small village in West Bengal, India, where if you say this, they will say, oh, come on, stop nonsense daydreaming. But I didn't even know how to speak English back then. I couldn't even form a complete coherent sentence back then. Fast forward, 2024, today I am here on this stage, graduating from one of the world's top most universities for bioscience, health, and medicine science, delivering a complete speech in English. Thank you all. Even in my wildest dream, I could not ever imagined it. The journey may have been full of ups and downs, from getting numerous emails starting from unfortunately, to getting one starting with congratulations. I never stopped. But the role University of Birmingham played in this journey is undoubtedly crucial. UB seemed to have all the solution of my problems. कहते हैं, अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो, तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Yes, my Indian and Pakistani friends knows this. It is said, if you want something wholeheartedly, the whole universe seems to be on your side to help you to get it. In my case, I want to extend a special thank to Dr. Amita Ritzer, who's somewhere in the audience, who gave me the first opportunity as a research assistant, which helped me to rediscover my confidence. Afterwards, there is a long list of professors from both medical school and bioscience school who helped me to get where I am today, starting my dream career as a PhD researcher. Some of these people are Tim DeForn, Tim Noyles, Ian Kraft, Eugenio Sanchez-Moran, Alexander Di Maio, and our admin, Emil Lewis, and the list will go on. And looking even farther back, none of this would be possible without my childhood teachers. Thank you all for your continued support. Now, some special messages for the most precious people in my life. First, to my sister, stop extorting money out of me. Second, to my parents, back in Kolkata, who couldn't make it today. মা এবং বাবা, আমি তোমাদের কাছে চিরকৃতজ্ঞ। আমার সবথেকে খারাপ সময়ে আমার উপর বিশ্বাস রাখার জন্য এবং আমার পাশে থাকার জন্য। আজকে যতটুকু আমি অ্যাচিভ করতে পেরেছি, সবটুকু তোমাদের জন্য। তাই আজকের এই ডিগ্রি আমি তোমাদের ডেডিকেট করলাম। This message in Bengali means, Mom and Dad, I am grateful to you for always being my backbone and trusting me through my lowest times. Whatever I can achieve today is because of you. Thus, I dedicate this degree to you both. And last but not the least, the speech will be incomplete if I don't thank one of my best friends, Joe Gordon Parkinson, and my brother, who is sitting over here. Thank you for your continued support. Many in the room may feel similarly about their close ones who couldn't make it today. And we would be here until next graduation if everyone was able to come on this stage and thank everyone special in their life. But to them, on the behalf of every graduate here today, I thank you for standing by us on this journey. And I promise you, all graduates, all the parents and relatives are unbelievably proud of you. None of us could have known how quickly University of Birmingham became our second home, and friends and professors become our second family. So, to my extended family, congratulations. We survived this degree together. We did it.
Thank you to Onwesha for such a tremendous speech on behalf of our graduating cohort. I am Professor Deborah Longworth. I am a Professor of English Literature and the Pro-Vice-Chancellor of Education at the university, and I am delighted to have the privilege of sharing in your celebrations today. I could see as you came up on the stage just how much your achievements have meant to you. As you embark on the next stages of your lives beyond university, I want to extend my congratulations to each and every one of you. Your hard work, dedication and resilience have brought you to this day, and we are all immensely proud of you. As you look ahead, I hope that your time with us has inspired you. We look forward to watching the impacts, significant whether large or small, that you will make in the world. In graduating today, you join the ranks of a huge global community of Birmingham alumni. Our graduates excel in so many fields, from groundbreaking research and transformational discoveries to innovative entrepreneurship, remarkable sporting achievements, influential roles in teaching and in leadership, critical and popular acclaim in the arts and cultural sectors, and dedicated service to our civic, local and global communities. The profile and footprint of University of Birmingham students can be found around the world. As you take your place within our alumni family, we will still be here for you. Our career service remains open to you, and our fantastic alumni relations team run events for recent graduates and can connect you with alumni across the world. As we celebrate your success and the award of your degrees, you will feel a huge sense of pride. You will have spent time during your study exploring new ideas, learning new skills, experiencing the thrill of research and discovery. You will have learnt about perseverance, about balancing work and play, about the value of community and working collaboratively with others, and all these lessons you will carry with you into your future lives and careers. I am genuinely proud to be standing here on behalf of a university where inspirational people do inspirational things, where every day we have the ability to change lives for the better in so many different ways. You, our latest graduates, will always be part of our university and part of that inspirational community, and we look forward to hearing about and celebrating your future successes. Your stories will be the ones that inspire our future students, just as I hope many of our alumni have inspired you. As you embark upon your next steps and new directions beyond university, I urge you not to lose the light of curiosity and the spark of creativity that you will have nurtured during your studies. Keep seeking out new challenges and new knowledge, as these will lead you in the direction of the best of adventures. Keep exploring and learning about the variety of lives and experiences that are different to your own, as this will extend your understanding of the richness of our humanity. And keep asking new questions, as these will challenge assumptions and help you to imagine and create new futures. You entered the Great Hall today as graduands, but you leave as graduates of the University of Birmingham. You will shortly be led out of the hall by our alumni representative, John Powell. Walk proudly out under Old Joe and take with you our very best wishes into your futures. Many congratulations to you all. I declare the congregation closed.
And with those words, our new graduates leave the Great Hall. The ceremony that completes the university journey for hundreds of Birmingham alumni has come to an end. This is a powerful moment for our graduates, representing the culmination of years of dedicated study, the education, connections, and friendships they have made at Birmingham will last a lifetime. And with Birmingham ranking as the university most targeted by top graduate employers in 2024, there's never been a more exciting time to be a Birmingham graduate. A final bit of tradition to close the ceremony. The maces are collected from the stage, and the mace bearers lead the procession of staff and new graduates out of the Great Hall. Our new alumni are off to celebrate the rest of their day with their friends and families.